Hello everybody, this is my Cedar deodara, Himalayan cedar that I'm growing as a semi-cascade that I received as a Father's Day present. The plant, and I said, yeah, I'll try and bonsai that. Well, it was going quite well, and then last year I decided to do some work on it, and it had some nice green buds that were popping. If you go back and watch the video, you'll see that. And I put it into this pot at a different angle, and within a fortnight, maybe 3 weeks, all the existing needles turned yellow and brown and dropped off. And I thought I'd killed it. All these branches have died back, but every single one of the buds that was popping continued to pop and has continued to grow. So I've got a lot of extension growth on the ends of these pieces, but nothing in between. So it's a bit of a conundrum as to what exactly I'm going to do with it. I'm glad it hasn't died, but what I want to do is try and shorten back some of these pieces to get some of the growth back into this area at least. I know none of these dead pieces are going to reshoot, obviously. I cut some of them back. They may get ginned. Some of these really little pieces, you know, they're not gonna hang around as a gin. This piece possibly could be. The other issue I have with this tree is it's still very wobbly in the pot. If I remove these stones, I can show you that, you know, it's a very wobbly tree. So I'm not really going to do much with it, apart from, as I say, just remove some of this dead twicky stuff that won't make a gin. And then I'm going to nip back to a healthy bud some of this growth, just in the hope that I can get it to be a bit bushier. Now I don't want to take off too much green, because obviously that's what's doing all the photosynthesizing and that's what's feeding the plant. I want it to recover. So I'm just nipping off maybe an inch or so from the tip of some of these long shoots. As far as I'm aware, these trees don't back bud into old wood. Once an area of wood has lost its needles, that's it, but I don't know that for 100%, and I'm prepared to be surprised if it does, but I doubt if it will. So I'm going to have to rethink the style of this tree and where it's going to go in the long run. But most importantly, at the moment, I need it to recover. I need it to become as healthy as it possibly can. So, like I say, a minimum amount of growth on there being removed. Let me give you a 360 of the tree, so you can see. You know, I envisage it as a semi-cascade, and I guess it could even become a full cascade if it becomes healthy enough. I could wire this upwards at the top, maybe. Let me know what you would do with this tree. Give me a word or two in the comments and say to me what you think would be good to do with this tree in a couple of years' time. Obviously, let's get it healthy. I'm going to put some controlled release fertilizer into the top here to make sure it's fed well over the coming year, and I think that's really all I can do with this tree, is to keep it well watered, well fed, and hopefully it'll recover a little bit of its vigor. as I say, drop me a little line in the comments section, just let me know what you think. I'd be interested in any and all suggestions. Also helps the channel out a little bit. But yeah, I need some help with this tree, so if any of you got any good ideas, scream them at me. Thank you all for watching in these difficult times. Please do take care of yourselves. Stay safe.